struggle, hands on the steering wheel, plus watch the feel out buck. Fuck them all, watch them all screaming, automatic gunfire, exercising all demons. My body is on the side, my complication high, ready to die. We bail out to take the jail back. Niggas unite, I'm first hate. Could wait to see you naked, to you in every secret place. I can hardly wait to bust freely, got you way out. You so happy to see me, make the front page, 5 times live on TV. Nigga, my girlfriend, maybe 45, but she still live. One shot, every nigga's heart beat stop.
Now follow as we ride, motherfuck the rap, 2 of the best from the west side. Now follow as we ride, motherfuck the rap, 2 of the best from the west side.
Say hello to my new friend.
Now give me 50 feet. Defeat is not my destiny. Release me to the streets and keep whatever's left of me. Jealousy is misery, suffering is greed. Better be prepared when you cabbage fuck with me. I bust and flee. These niggas must be crazy, world. There ain't no mercy motherfuckers who can fade the thug. Nigga, you thought it was when it wasn't. Now disappear. Bow down in the presence of a boss player. With my Glock, so now I got no waves. Floating in the black beard, trying to do the show day. And into how I live with 5 shots. Niggas is hard to kill on my block. Schemes for currency is double related. Affiliated with the hustlers, so we made it. So answer questions, try to get home. My nigga, eternally the most wrong. Now follow as we ride, motherfuck the rap, 2 of the best from the west side. Now follow as we ride, motherfuck the rap, 2 of the best from the west side.